Hello दोस्तों. So as we saw a few patterns, so now we will make some numerical, like how to display some numbers, like it's 1, then 1 2, then 1 2 3, then 1 2 3 and 4. We have to make this one. So if you notice, like as I already go through this one, let's copy this one. Okay, and now what will happen? So suppose if you notice, like I am having only 1, then 1 2, then 1 2 3, then 1 2 3 4. So if you notice, in the first row I am starting 1 and it will go up to 1 only. Then in the second row it is starting from 1 and going up to 2, which is for the row number actually. Okay, second row. Then it is again starting from 1 and going up to 3. So if you notice, what is the relation? Okay, the relation is like it is 1 2 3. So here as we already saw this one, so I will simply replace this, remove this one, and here I will print only the y, and I hope so this will work. First it will display me the patterns, and then it will display me this one. So the ultimate point is, if you notice, I have to start from, always I have to start from 1, and then I have to go up to what is the number of x we have. So can you post me in the comment, like what will be the solution for this pattern actually? Let me write it, 5 6 and then 7 8 9 and 10. This is the value we are getting for an row number equals to 4. So can you post me solution for this one as in a comment? Thank you.